scares me. That one wasn't as enthusiastic.
Well, Issa's in the box again.
Oh gosh,
playing in the paper.
This is the best Christmas present ever as far as she's concerned.
Okay, Kat, we're gonna move you out of here because we've got some recording to do.
We can't have that crunchy, crunchy, crunchy in the background. Oh, she's so happy. I wonder if I could move it.
Why don't you move it into the great room?
I'll move it into the great room and see if she'll stay in it. Okay, it's on.
Thank you.
Hi. Would you let me move you with the box?
And there's Jack gonna follow. Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today we're going to be doing some pressure canning of turkey stock. Before we get started with doing the turkey canning, I'm going to show you the results of canning the sauerkraut that I made earlier this fall. Now, that's just a water bath canning. Doesn't require pressure canning. So we have 24 of these small jars full of sauerkraut. Now Irene likes the sauerkraut like this for her hot dogs, so that's why I've canned it up in this fashion. I also have about a quart of sauerkraut in the refrigerator to eat fresh. Okay.
Jack, you're going to help too, huh?
Everybody wants to help.
Everybody wants to help today. This will take twice as long with so many helpers.
Now when I make turkey stock, I make it fairly strong. The reason for that is I can always dilute it down if I want to. In this case, this stock was made from the carcass of the turkey we had for Thanksgiving, which was a lot of bones and some skin, but also I used some of the dried out portions of the meat.
Just barely.
Now having two people working together to do this makes things go a lot faster. The broth smells terrific.
We made soup, turkey soup with it the other day, and it was absolutely amazing.
It was even good.
It was yummy. Everybody approved, even Jack. We didn't put any onions in it so that Jack could have it too.
Now we follow the Ball Blue Book of Preserving and Canning. This has the instructions on how to pressure can at altitude. We're at 5,280 feet, which means that we have to increase the pressure in our pressure canner from the 10 pounds per square inch to 50 pounds per square inch. While Irene's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling this pint jar, or see if it'll fill. Now Irene's wiping the rims of these jars off so that none of the food that we put in the jar will interfere with the seal. That's really important because otherwise what will happen is the food will go bad. There you go. Now Irene's the only one of us who's actually used this pressure canner to do pressure canning. She knows exactly how the lid goes together, so...
Still makes me nervous because it's only the second time I've used it, or third time, I don't know.
So she's using her past experience to make sure that we get this right.
Yeah, you always do the ones opposite. The big commercial steam canners work the same way.
So I had to drag her back in. Anyway. Now we wait for 25 minutes after the steam starts coming out of the pressure cooker consistently. and then we cook it for 25 minutes at pressure and then wait for the thing to cool down. Pop the top, take the jars out and put them on the shelf.
Actually, I have to let the steam come out for a specific number of minutes before I do any of that stuff, including I have to put the weight on top to make it 15 pounds.
What she said.
Yeah, I'll just follow the rules. I have my book right over there.
Thanks for watching. We'll bring you back when we're all done and you can see a little bit of the final results.
Success or not. Okay, we have 4 quarts and 1 pint. All ready to go. We actually left it overnight. Bedtime, I didn't feel like fooling around with it. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing?
Can't take me anywhere.
No, I can't.